Wiki! Fuck! Absolute bellend. What's a fucking backwards fuck person. Fucking idiot. How can you possibly go into the back of someone in a fucking roundabout going, that's just stupid, man. What a backward idiot. Now that's some kind of like combination of blind and stupid and possibly deranged. What should we go with? Should we go with knobhead of the month, yeah? Wow.
Do you think I should send a present? And if so, what kind of present?
Can you just clap for me? And now, can you say special? Oh, she's put it down now, the police. Oh, no, she hasn't. She's still got it.
Special.
Now, can you say knobhead?
Knobhead.
Thanks, man.
She's on FaceTime.
Is she?
Yeah.
Who's she chatting to? Is it her boyfriend, do you reckon?
I think it's a girl.
A girl? Do you reckon she's lesbian?
Do you see it? I know, she told me that I'm a boyfriend first.
Tell that man to get off his phone.
Where?
That man. Real fucking smart, dickhead. Real fucking smart. You would expect more from Copper, wouldn't you? Jesus Christ, man. Oh, it's community support. Okay, I'll let them off because they're obviously fucking simple. That doesn't look like a parking space, but at least he's put his hazard. Oh, we got one in behind as well, Amazing Mill. We're going to have fun getting out, aren't we?
No.
Yeah, we will. We got to get back out now.
Watch that lid. Check that lid.
Lid's on. Right. You go you take the handbrake off first, yeah? Go all the forward, okay?
Yeah,
And
all forward.
All the backs once again.
All
Because
the backs.
this fucking incompetent can't. None of these incompetents can do anything competent. And instead of just letting me out, you've decided to do that, okay?
Not yet, Daddy.
I know, not yet, because we're going to have to go onto the other side of the road to get out, aren't we? And I can't see what's coming. There is a car coming.
I know that. Lots of cars.
And they're all going to make it difficult, apart from this guy. Thank you very much, my friend.
Yeah.
Cheers. Oh no, we've got a fucking road warrior. Oh Jesus Christ, man. I hate these backwards dickheads. Why can't they just drive to the end of the lane like everybody else does, instead of taking up the old fucking lane, blocking it for everyone? What a fucking idiot. Nothing in front of it, see? Absolutely nothing. Like, you think about it, right? The whole point of having that is so you can have two lanes of traffic coming into one at the end, yeah? And then you kind of zip together. Most people don't zip together because they're all like, oh no, I'm first, and they all argue about it, but that's a different story. The point is, the two lanes are there for a reason, yeah? And when you've got some dickhead like that taking up one entire lane all to himself, it causes blockages. You've basically got one open lane then. It's fucking stupid. I'm going to get in front of him because I don't want to be behind pricks like that. Just to like see who's actually driving as well. Doesn't look entirely intelligent, if I'm honest. Looks like a simpleton. Like I said, looks like a simpleton, acts like a simpleton, drives like a simpleton, is a simpleton. In fact, like, you know, just generally a simpleton.
That horn is pathetic, man. Dickhead, dickhead, dickhead. What the fuck was that? Prick.
It was a man as a baby shark costume.
Yeah. Is it a costume?
No, but can you say good parking?
No.
Can you just clap then?
No.
Please clap. I'm gonna have to clap myself. Hey! I really want to go for a red light. That's not even taxis either. Oh no. That is like literally just the purest of incompetence ever. Good parking, you prick. Good parking, you prick. Fucking incompetence on this road today, isn't there? Wow.
Fuck is he doing? Did he just beep at a pigeon? Did he stop and beep at a pigeon? Nutter.
I am taller than you. I will touch you. I boop your snoot. I boop your snoot. I boop. Ah, get off. Fucking flies. Oh, he likes his tickles. Like he's actually coming to me for some tickles. You got flies all around your face, mate. Don't come closer. Go away. After your eye. Let me come here. Come here. Let me get them off your eye. Chill. Stop. Fucker.